tell Papa? You tell Daddy what you done?
Yeah.
Don't put it right here.
Will, how are we going to get these off Aunt Carrie's arm? She going to have to wear them home? Watch you. Where did you get them? Was that in your stuff?
Yeah.
Well, Carrie, you'll know not to let him do that anymore.
I don't.
You slide up and come out. Push it this way and pull it out.
Which way? I'm trying to get this slide backwards, but I got to pry it open enough. Is that hurting you?
Come here, Mama. I might have to set it up.
Yeah. This is hilarious.
We need this on a movie camera. Careful there now. Set it up.
Josh can't use them now.
Well, that was easy.
I need you to help.
No.
Oh, wait, it ain't done yet.
Come here and set
Well,
it
set it
up.
up here. Bring it up here, baby. Guess you
That's
won't
what
do.
it was.
Guess you won't do that no
Right
more.
there wouldn't push them out like it's supposed to.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, but you ain't touching them, nothing on my hands no
Now,
more.
Come here.
Nope. Nope.
Put them up. Don't let that little one out there have them.
You want them?
No.
Nuh-uh.